Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for viewing today. Today we're going to cook a lamb tikka biryani. All the biryanis are the same, you'll see. You just change it in what meat you use, whether you use lamb, chicken, chicken tikka, prawn, king prawn. It's all the same method, just different lamb, different types of meat. So lamb tikka biryani, 2 teaspoons of oil, some biryani onions, 5 to 6 pieces of lamb tikka, pinch of salt, portion of pilau rice, a teaspoon of tomato puree, 2 teaspoons of desi style spice, mixed powder, which is just mixed powder, 1 teaspoon of boom biryani spice, which is our own, 2 sprinkles of coriander, a sliced tomato, a sliced cucumber for decoration. I've told you this quite a few times now, guys, and probably you'll know it. Any of the dishes like pilau rice or the lamb tikka, how to cook it. Watch this video, go down to my descriptions, and there'll be a link with each ingredient. So it'll have all the ingredients there and a link of how to make each thing. So yeah, we're ready to go now. So we're going to start off with the decoration first. Just a tomato, just slice it and just slice it nice and round. And then just a slice, 1 slice of each. So there we go, that's done. So we're ready to now start cooking. Okay, so you need a wok, non-stick pan, and a spoon. So we've got our biryani onions here, which I've shown you how to cut its onions and peppers. Put that in. Oh, I forgot to say the oil first actually. We just quickly put the oil. It doesn't matter too much, but the oil tends to go in first. So yeah, that's sizzling nicely. Then we've got our pinch of salt. Put the pinch of salt in there. That will caramelise the onions and peppers a bit quicker. So after that's caramelised, we then just add our tomato puree. Let that cook in there. Once that's gone in, we then have our lamb tikka. This is a pre-cooked lamb. I've kept it in the sauce to keep it nice and moist. That just goes in there. And then as long as you're moving it quite consistent, you can put the gas right up. Put the gas right up. Let it cook in. Let it cook faster. So yeah, if you've got the gas right up, you'll need to before it burns, you'll need to move it more consistently. It'll be done faster. If you want to take it slower, you can just leave it on low and then come back to it every now and then. But what you're waiting for is for the lamb to get soft. It gets soft by when you stab it, it breaks quick. So as you can see, that's quite hard at the moment. I can't stab it, so I'm going to leave it for a few minutes and then come back to it. So it's been a couple of minutes. The lamb's very soft now, very tender. So we put the gas down. So we've got the gas down, ready for our spices. So our boom biryani, put that a little bit in there. Desi style. If you do like it hot, by all means put a little bit of chili powder in now. We don't, as standard in the restaurant, put any chili powder in unless people request it hot. Or you can, put some green chilies in. I'm kind of just doing it exactly how we do it in the restaurant. But there's nothing to say you can't mix and match a little bit. So then we've got our coriander, sprinkle of coriander in there. So that's pretty much now. So I'll leave it on low gas, let the spice infuse into the lamb, and then stir it throughout, come back in a few minutes. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes now. And then we're ready. Keep it on low gas, otherwise the spice is going to burn and the rice is going to stick. So put your pilau rice in there. As mentioned, if you've got dietary problems, put boiled rice, or if it's easier for you. But it does taste a lot better with pilau rice. And then what you want to do is just mix it all in now. Mix the lamb, the rice, everything in. Any lumpy bits, just want to, you know, get rid of them really. So yeah, that looks done now. So it's now ready to serve out. Okay guys, so there you have it, a lamb tikka biryani. It looks quite boring at the moment, so you need to decorate the food. It tastes really good. So you, as I keep saying, you taste with your eyes first. So when you first look at it, you want it to look, wow, nice. A lot of colour, it's very vibrant. As soon as you taste with your eyes, you will see that it looks good, it's going to taste good. So psychologically, it's very important to put it. So I've just sliced I sliced the cucumber and the tomato on there, and then a little bit of coriander. Just keep the colours. Just want to keep the colours going. So look, you've got red, you've got green coriander. The lamb, it's ready. The yellow rice, it just looks a lot more attractive. Lamb tikka biryani.